can do without the Spirit. Every man that is operating in power is assisted by some spirit. It could be the Spirit of the Lord or an evil spirit. Because there are many that are making covenant with Illuminati. They are making covenant, glory be to God, with the lodge. My God, do you understand what I'm saying to you tonight? The Bible tells us, hallelujah, that we should do what? Try. See if they be of God. Because there are many false prophets that are gone out with the doctrine of the devil. And so I want you to understand tonight, I told you I came to teach. Every man that you see operating in power is assisted by your spirit. Things don't just happen in the spiritual realm. Things don't just happen in the earthly realm. They are assisted by your spirit.